Alright, now I'm live. Now I can be heard. I don't know if there's anybody in here, but, oh, there's P-Dog. How's it going? Alright, so I think I'm gonna send an invite to the peeps at the Curiomatic, just to let them know what's going on. How many viewers do we have, Phil? Okay, how many viewers do we have? Any yet? Yeah. Okay. I'm going to send a message to peoples. Followers? Oh, we'd have to be an affiliate for that, though. Oh no, my stream voice thing isn't working right now. Why is that? The Discord overlay thing. Fix that real quick. Oh, that might probably me. Are you talking about like a humming sound, or there's a space heater in here? Hmm. I can probably get away with not having it on. It's not that cold. Oh, Dribbles is here. Hey, Dribbles, how's it going? So this is super low key. Might not even archive it. I don't know. Had a slow start, but basically I'm working on some dialogue portraits. It's nice having a much shorter delay on Twitch than it is on YouTube. Oh, what's that? Oh yeah. I'm trying to. Yeah. Let's see if I can get the voice chat overlay working again. Oh, someone's calling me. Yeah. What are you talking about? Oh, you're talking about text? Hmm. Discord might be having problems. I can't connect to my client. Maybe I have to log in. Yeah. Normally I try to take care of this stuff before the stream, but I'm feeling super casual. Nope. Hey, Cyan Delta. Glad you made it. You know, I'm just not gonna bother. I'm just gonna work on stuff. Don't know why it's not working right now, but oh well. Boop ba doo boop boom, be doo doo. Oh, I should probably have some music on, shouldn't I? I could just whistle the whole time. That sounds fun. Oh, did it not? Freaking. I forgot to update that message. Man, my computer's being slow right now. So these are for basically during dialogue segments. It'll be how the characters are shown when they're talking. It's like little speech bubbles on the coming out of their heads. It's pretty simple. Yeah, I mean, we'll probably use these for as many things as we can. Of course not. Yeah, these are dialogue portraits. In fact, I just realized that our stream title just says stream title. uh, no. The on the overlay. How is this working? This is from a read from file. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. Streaming. Stream title. Dialogue. Portraits. There we go. Ba-ba-ba-ba-da. Alright. So the body can be recycled on this one. Do I have them all? Nope. Andrew, I see you in there. How's it going? This is super inefficient what I'm doing right now. Oh, Andrew's on YouTube and Twitch. Yeah, I was, and then I stopped. What music to put on, though, is the question. Alright, I can do that. Go subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can listen to the official soundtrack, or at least... Wait, yes, the entire soundtrack is on there right now, I believe. All... Yeah, all 5 songs are on there. Yeah, I know. Alright, let's see. How loud is this? Oh, OKOKKO is asking if the Curiomatic Discord is open to join yet. You should watch our most recent Game Bite on Curiomatic if you want to know the answer to that. Dang it, Andrew. Why would you do that? You can. Yeah, so the little announcement for our Discord was in like the was at the very end of the video. So if you didn't watch all the way to the very end, then you don't know about it. Let's see, match layers across frames. Oh yeah. On Restream, yeah. True. I don't know. Let me find out. I don't know how. So maybe not. Yeah. Of course not. Of course. Oh, hey, Toxicquid. I didn't see you there. You can move to Twitch if you want. It's faster. The delay is shorter. I think that's everything on that. Except for the line art. Oh, forgot. How's the sound levels from your end? Oh, I guess you can't hear it. You're probably muted. No, I'm good. I'm good. Where are my head colors? Mid key. Right. No. Where is the colors for this one? There they are. Yeah. Yes. There's a lot of layers on this because I'm doing all vector. Whoops. Yep. Ooh. Billboard. Yeah. Yeah, we still haven't named this character. PSD, yeah. Yep. We have 11 people here. That's something. Oh, my phone is going off. One sec. His eyes? Whose eyes? Oh, this? Oh, like on the other poses? Sure. I mean, I can do that right now. Let's see. I mean, so basically these little swirlies are kind of acting as his eyelids and eyes at the same time. "13 people in here now." Speaking back to the topic of his name, I'm somewhat convinced that we did have a name in mind at some point in time, like years ago when we started this project, before we put it on hiatus, and we just forgot it. That might not be true actually, but I'm still currently convinced that we did. Yeah. Right. Yeah, I have that thought. Antsy is one of the names that has sort of, yeah. To have the name Antsy? Why? Because he's not an ant? But it's a good guinea pig name. There's some characters that have like a name that alludes to an animal that they're not. I'm trying to think of one. I know that's a thing. I've had that thought about some characters' names in the past. Is Will too quiet? Or is Phil too quiet? Said Will. Will said it. Will said it in the chat. not non-stop. Hold on, let me fix it. Oh, I don't even have you enabled, that's why. So they can't hear you at all.
That's
except through my headphones. Hey, now you can hear him.
You're a bad man. You're a bad man.
I'm so good at the streaming thing.
Goodness. Can you hear me now? Am I hurtable?
Hurtable. Can you be hurt? Sorry, guys.
We're so low key, we don't even let you hear half of the conversation.
Yeah, this is not going to be archived.
Oh, I mean, what? Is our archive really that precious?
No, it's not. No one cares. No one cares about this channel.
I care about this channel. But am I no one? Is that what that means?
We've only been streaming for... how long? I don't remember when I started. I'll probably just edit it down to this point.
Okay.
This is where the stream officially starts. Hey everybody, welcome to the Drizzle Games dev stream. I am Omni. Joining me today is Phil, but he'll probably dug out when he's doing some other stuff.
Did you say dugout?
Dugout.
Dugout. Yeah, I get really distracted when streaming, or when we're streaming part of this here.
Well,
so
you don't have to watch it. You know?
Well, yeah, no, that's true. That's true. It's true. I don't have to watch it. It's just tough because I want to reference back to chat and stuff like that. Yeah, level design has to I have what?
You have two screens.
I do. Yeah, it's on my second
put
screen.
The chat in. Oh yeah, yeah.
But I'm really good at just staring at the second screen. But yes, I am working on level design while he arts things. At some point we'll probably actually start trying to figure out how to do both streams or both screens at one time, and at least show some of it. But not yet. We too low-key. Trying to think if there was anything I said before that actually should be shared, but I don't. Probably not.
Extremely underground. Yes, that's correct.
My wife thinks his name should be Dizzy.
Dizzy. Dizzy is a fun name.
So far we have Antsy and Dizzy as options.
Everybody, you have to help us name this character.
Yeah.
This will be crowdsourced.
Right now we're leaning towards adjective name. He could just be named after whatever his current emotion is.
His name changes.
We changed the portrait name based on what he's... boy. Gutsy is just always Gutsy. That's his distinguishing characteristic, so... 100%
Gutsy just sounds like a name for an organ.
Oof.
So far we've played through the entire soundtrack. Should I start it again? For the people who just joined us?
What? I think only one or two people have joined since we started. Right? Although I guess if you're saying that the footage will only start here, then whatever.
Yeah, that's true. I'll start it over. Menu theme.
But yeah, you might want to have an idea of where you want to go after that. Do the Killer Colors theme. Just play the trailer.
I am embarrassed by the Killer Colors theme.
Are you?
The mixing of it, it's terrible.
I don't think you should be embarrassed by it. Hang on.
No,
Hang
the
on.
mix is bad.
Alright, I'm gonna go find it.
The mix is
I'm sure
bad.
it's out there.
I
I want to get people's opinion on how bad it is.
No.
I mean, look, I'm not saying it's the best ever, but wait, is it unlisted?
Yes.
But it was shared places, so it is able to be found.
Yes. As evidenced by the peeps over on the speedrunning Discord, the mobile speedrunning Discord.
Those people are cool and also very good at finding things. Yeah, I want you to judge that well, too. So I'm gonna find this for you.
No, I don't want Will to hear it. I'll be embarrassed.
I want Will to hear it. I don't care
No.
if you're embarrassed. Why would I care? Fine with that. I'm not good at navigating YouTube's interface for your own stuff. I'm good at like my subscriptions and stuff. Oh wait, is it not on this channel? Is it on the other channel?
It's on the old channel.
Oh. Oh.
Will says he won't be mean.
How do I even... I don't even know how to get to that channel.
Just
what
go to
email
the
is-
Facebook page.
But that means I have to go to Facebook.
Yeah. Which is a huge trek, but I'm not going to tell you otherwise. So if you
Well,
want to hear
since
it-
we're on Facebook now, apparently 6 years ago, Doritos changed their logo, and I was sharing about it.
What?
I was a bit distraught. I'm okay with it now.
Doritos
Remember when
changed their
Doritos
logo?
changed their logo 6 years ago?
Oh, you mean when we were in college?
Yeah, when we were in college 6 years ago. Yeah. Oh, wait. I was looking for Gutsy. I find Killer Color. Hey. Got Gutsy on the brain. Whoa.
I'm frankly not even sure how much of that theme that I made for Killer Colors is actually going to be used.
Well, I mean, the game's so long from coming out, it's kind of okay to...
Right.
Alright, I got it.
A lot
Found
of
it.
the ideas will probably be present, like a mixture of synth and sort of jungle-esque kind of sounds. But other than that, I don't think I'll use most of it. And it was only really for the trailer. I wouldn't even call it a theme song. Okay, now we've got the outlines, and now I can do the shading, the highlights.
Alright, it be in the chat. The Twitch chat. So if you're watching on YouTube, you'll have to just look at the stream and copy in the URL. I'm sorry.
I don't know if that's an accurate description. A game we've had in progress. It was in progress for like a year.
Well, no, but I've been working on it kind of in my own off time in Unity, remember? So
oh yeah, rebuilding it,
is
right?
yeah, rebuilding it. So technically, it is still in progress, even though it's only barely in progress.
Where did
So,
my,
yeah.
where did no what? Did I? Oh, I did. Silly me. Terraini is here. How's it going? Part of why I don't want to use it as is right now is because I find it too similar to another song that I think people would recognize.
From a game?
From a game.
That came before your trailer?
Oh, long before.
Okay, just checking, because there is a certain game that is awful similar to a certain game that we made about 10 years ago that came after
Right.
I made it. So, sometimes...
What am I doing? This should be on a different layer.
Yeah, how do so little people know about it? I think people should help us rectify that travesty.
It's because I don't really promote it that much. It's really
You
only
should, though.
existed for a little bit.
It's a problem.
Um,
I'm gonna
I
berate
tweet
you in
about
public.
it. I tweet about it like every time I've added a track to the YouTube channel. I tweet about it, but people don't really pay attention if it's not Super Smash Brothers,
Oh,
which is
rip.
what my audience cares about.
Hey, look, I'm still saying one of these characters needs to be Smashified at some point. I don't know if anyone agrees with me, but I have felt that for the longest time. I would love to see Gutsy Smashified.
Once we actually talk about it formally on Curiomatic, I'm sure people will find it interesting to some extent. What is
Gotta sell them in the format they're used to.
Dizzy is starting to stick with
Dizzy.
some people.
Do we like Dizzy?
I don't hate it. So let me give you a character profile. So Gutsy is brave, as his name implies. He is also the runt of the litter, which is probably pretty cliche. But so he's the smallest, and this is his older brother, and his older brother is anxious and fearful of everything. In the cutscene at the start of the game, he's like panicking because all of their friends got kidnapped.
We should show that too. Maybe
the
not.
trailer, the old
I don't-
trailer cut, or
Oh,
the cutscene.
I just meant just grab the file, but should I find the cutscene for that?
No, it's not done.
Oh no, sorry, I meant the trailer for that, but I don't want to show the trailer. That is too much. That's too much. There's too much old in that. I can't handle it. There's too much old like actual foot. Yeah. Right. The names kind of sound like they were named by someone at a pet store. You know what I mean? I kind of like that element.
Zyber, do you not know what Game Bytes is? You should go to the Smashified channel and see what that's about. But not now. You should stay here, or you can do both.
Do you really imagine people don't multitask this stuff?
Yes.
Should I share it for you?
Share
Was the Bomberman one the first one you did?
Yeah. Well, I don't know how much Zyber's been keeping up with the channel, so he might know the Smashified more so than the rebrand. So we're still at the point where every time we post a video, people unsub because what the heck is Curiomatic, and why am I subscribed to it?
Yeah, branding's tough like that. You change it, you lose recognition, and then people get. He looks like the Phantom of the Opera right now, by the way. To me.
Who? Bro?
Bromo, yeah. Dizzy.
Why is that?
We got just the white mask on the like upper right third of his face.
No. You mean the
Because
highlight?
Phantom's mask doesn't actually come to the very like bottom of his chin. It just like gets
Right.
the upper. Yeah, so the up that it's like Looks like that.
Lodovic, hey, how's it going? We're just over here goofing off / working.
Goofing?
Yep.
Yeah, it's true. Okay, yeah. Fair enough. I can't call this.
What are you talking about, Will? The drums are like on a radio or something. I should probably be more specific. The EQ on the drums feels like way off. Oh, well, I mean, if that's how it's interpreted, I suppose it could be valid as it being a style thing, not a mistake. It's not bad, it's just my style. No, suck isn't a style. That's one of the things that art teachers can say about students' work. How do I decide where to place the hair highlights? Said Andrew. It's based on the first one I did, which was based on the actual lighting from the 3D model, which is here-ish, but it's also somewhat abstracted. Alright, let's switch to some professional music now.
I think the stream froze for me. The refresh stream for anyone or for anyone else.
Any requests for music, everyone? Any ideas for what I should play? Last time I just played a bunch of PPF tracks. If you're familiar with him, he does a bunch of really great arrangements of existing music from games. Formerly Poop Poop Fart.
Lovely. You could you could play the function repair stuff. I'm not saying you necessarily should, but the function repair stuff is actually pretty good.
Where is this? Is that on SoundCloud?
Probably. I don't think. Let me see if it's on YouTube, but I doubt it. I doubt it. The trailer's on there, but boy. Oh boy, eight views and 6 views respectively on the trailer.
On which trailer?
Release trailer and just trailer.
On which channel?
Yeah, I think it's on do you want me to find the SoundCloud? Would that help?
Yeah, do that.
What was it? Proxima Centauri? Is that what it was?
Yes, that is the name of the artist who made the music, also known as Ian.
Yeah. His image on there is so old too. It's great.
Did he still have that album art that I made him? on the Proxima Centauri account?
There is Alpamut on here, but not on his main artist. So I'm not sure how to answer that. It is in his artist picture, though.
What the heck? How did this happen?
Okay, here. Got it.
Did you post it in Discord?
Yeah, I just.
SoundCloud's trying to teach me how to like things. Why is that?
Sorry, say it
Hmm?
Oh, was that not directed to me? Sorry.
No.
I had to de headset for a second.
Yeah, I don't know why SoundCloud is assuming that people don't know how to do that. It's a basic function and it hasn't changed, I don't think. I should probably be a little bit more efficient about how I do this instead of toggling back and forth between the two different portraits, but I don't care right now. Good enough for now. Man, I don't even remember some of these tracks.
Oh, is it? Oh, this sounds like the one in the stealth section.
Mm-hmm.
So you should explain what this.
Oh man.
Probably.
So this was what, level 2? Was that level 2?
Oh, it can't have been the stealth one because that's where I couldn't get past. Like the nighttime one. That's what I was thinking. Dark one.
So,
Saboteur. Oh, this is the Saboteurs. This is level 2.
okay.
What was it?
I guess we'd have to talk about the plot, wouldn't we?
That's what I meant. I meant more just like explaining what function repair even is.
So function repair or function.repair was a game that we developed in college, and we released it for iOS. Just iOS, right? We didn't even do Android.
No. I don't.
And it was a little sort of anti-gravity platformer kind of thing. If you want an example of how the gameplay worked, you can look at, or how the movement worked. Another game that has come out since then has a very similar movement mechanic. The game is Dandara. It was on the Switch eShop now. It was in like an indie thing, I think. But it has a very similar movement style, where it's like you're launching yourself from different walls instead of gravity being down. You just kind of like attach yourself to the walls by jumping. from wall to wall. And our game took place in this like old derelict spaceship, and you were a little robot, and you shot like kind of Mega Man kind of style, shooting around, jump and shoot man kind of thing. And the plot was based on the fact that it was 2012 at the time, and people were talking about the end of the world a lot. And so we made it. We made the plot connect with that the whole Mayan calendar thing, where the ship that you're on is actually a dude that was created by these aliens who were in contact with the Mayans, or that the Mayans knew about, I guess. And so a lot of the architecture in the ship was based on Mayan architecture, which the implication was that the Mayans got their ideas from these aliens. Anyway, so there's these, I guess, astronauts, scientists who came onto the ship to try to destroy it. And you are a robot that was originally created to just perform maintenance and repairs on the ship. And your name is Fixbot. So you're the property of the aliens, and you're trying to stop these people from destroying the ship because that's what your programming is. But then when you find out that the ship's purpose, which you had apparently forgotten, was that it's supposed to destroy the Earth, you instead decide to destroy the ship instead of repair it. So you had to like reverse your objective at the end of the game.
I'd forgot the story was actually that deep.
Yeah.
Not necessarily deep, but that there's so much to it.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the music from that.
Yeah, this is the music from that game. Old project that no one knows. Which means also we don't have to worry about copyright, because this is not technically our music, but no one.
Well, we're also very good friends with the guy who made it. So
yeah.
Really have no, like, we still work with him, so I really. No.
Yeah, the guy who made the music for this game is one of our coworkers. So we're fine. Shield Generator. That's this song. Is it at this point where you've decided to turn sides already, or I don't remember where this takes place?